Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to my YouTube channel again. And yes, by the title you can see that what today's video is all about. It was written in my list. I know मैं हर वीडियो के लिए बोलने लगी हूँ ना, क्योंकि मैं YouTube वीडियोस बनाना छोड़ दिया, बस प्लानिंग करती रहती हूँ और फिल्म तो कुछ होता ही नहीं. But never mind. So yes, today's video will be really helpful for all of you who are just confused what products to buy and what products to use this summer season. Then I have a list of 10 products that you need in this summer season, the only products you need in this summer season. So yes, if you are confused what products to buy in this summer season, बहुत ज़्यादा summer season हो गया ना?
ओ भाई मारो मुझे मारो
Then please keep on watching. I will just show you my products in no particular order. So yes, the first thing that I think is very important, very mandatory in the summer season is a facial mist. Extremely important. I don't know why people don't just feel the importance of this. I have the Good Vibes Lemongrass Toning Face Mist. You can see that how much I've used it. This is my 6th or 7th bottle, to be honest, but oh my god, it refreshes your face so freakingly nice, and I love that how my skin feels. It feels super glowy, super nourished. So yes, I really like this one, and you can definitely get your hands on this one. As Good Vibes has a lot of variants in the mist, so I think you can definitely get your hands on any of the variant or any of the fragrances you like. So yes, definitely give it a shot. Then after that, I have again one more product from Good Vibes. It's the Good Vibes Aloe Vera Soothing Face Cream. This is really nice for dry skin people, I would say. I do have something for oily or combination skin as well. I do have combination skin, but this is aloe vera. This is like very light in consistency, but it moisturizes your skin so well. Like it has all the things that can refresh your face super nicely. Plus it's not really lightweight ki dry people, like dry skin people would suffer. So you should definitely get your hands on this one from Good Vibes. You can definitely get another variants as well, as they have a lot of variants. And for my oily babies or combination skin people up there, I have this Pond's Super Light Gel. Oh my god, I've been obsessed with this moisturizer. You guys know my love for the another one, the light moisturizer, which is in green and white packaging. But oh my god, I've been loving this one as well. Like, it's so light in weight. Like, especially I love to slather this like in a very good quantity underneath my makeup. It makes my makeup so glowy. After that, a rose water is a must. You can take any one, and I've been really liking this rose water from the Natural Wash. It's really nice. It's their steam distilled rose water. You can use it as a toner, as a mist, anything you like, I would say. And this is like one of the products that you should definitely give it a try. So I think that rose waters are super underrated, and you should definitely give it a try, like especially the Natural Wash one. So yup. Then you need a cleanser, a good cleanser. I really like this one. Like, I won't say that मैंने बहुत बार use किया है. मैंने इसको 5 or 6 times use किया है, but I've been really liking this. It has like little bit of granules, and that's not really harsh on your skin. It's super gentle. For me at least, it's gentle. Though I won't recommend it to sensitive skin people out there. But yeah, I really like it, and it really cleanses out your skin. You can even get the foaming face washes as well. The Good Vibes one are super good, as they cleanse out your skin super well if you are someone who wear makeup. So at the night, it's very easy to remove makeup. So though I use my makeup removers as well, but the foaming face washes are a little foamy, and they help in removing all the dirt, gunk, everything from your face. So yes, I really like this one. The serum that I have is from Green Tea. It's from in Miniso. It's the Green Tea Moisture Essence. This is how it looks like. I wanted to include some affordable options for you. I really like the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Serum, which is a capsule infused something. So, oh my god, that serum is amazing. And this was 600 or 650, I think. And the same that goes for this. But if you couldn't find this one, you can get that one from Nykaa or whatever. But yes, I really like this one. As you can see, I've been continuously using this. I have a lot of serums. Agar maine itna bhi koi serum khatam kiya, that's a big thing. Neutrogena was like completely over in just 4-5 months, which was like a big deal for me because I like to fluctuate between my serums, my moisturizers. So yes, I was addicted to that serum. So I can definitely recommend you this one as well. Then a sunscreen is a must in the summertime. You cannot step out of your house without a sunscreen. So my trusted and only sunscreen that I've been using from past like 2 or 3 years is this Neutrogena Ultra Sheer one. I really like this. I swear by this. So the only sunscreen that I recommend to each one of you because I literally swear by it. So yes, that's the sunscreen that I want to recommend you. And after that, I have a lip balm which I'm currently obsessed with and which is only 150. Like, can you imagine? It's the Lip Smacker. You can find it on Nykaa or on Hawk Makeup as well. Though I bought it from Hawk Makeup, it's in the variant Fanta, and I do also have in the variant Coca-Cola as well, but that's with my mom. But I really like it. Like, the flavor of the lip balm is to die for, literally. Like, it's so tasty. Like, I literally apply it to lick it. Guilty. But I really like it, and it moisturizes your lips so pretty well. So definitely a buy from my side. And now I want to talk about some face masks which are very important in the summertime. First one is a detan face mask. I really think that detan face mask really helps in removing the tan. Though Multani Mitti works perfectly fine if you are if you don't want to purchase, or if you have Multani Mitti, then don't purchase any separate mask. Though I have Multani Mitti on this as well. This is the detan from Bella Vita. Like, I have used it a lot, I would say. Like this much. My family really loves this, and even I love it too. And the next mask that I think very important in the summertime is sheet mask. I swear by sheet mask. It refreshes your face so much. You know, sometimes like kabhi bahut dull ho jati hai skin. This really helps in reviving your skin. This really helps कि हमारी skin healthy रहे, nourished रहे, and dry or flaky ना लगे. So I would really recommend you to include a good sheet mask in your regimen. I have been really obsessing over these Lakme sheet masks. So yes, that's that for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope this video was helpful enough. So that's that. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram because I share some really different content over there. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next one. Bye bye.